Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using GetCash Express Loans. GetCash Express Loan, a detailed look and user experience. GetCash Express Loan offers a streamlined online platform, connecting borrowers with lenders who provide quick and adaptable loan solutions. This service is particularly well suited for individuals facing unexpected financial hurdles, such as urgent medical bills, necessary home repairs, or unforeseen expenses. Loan amounts available through GetCash range from $100 to $5,000, providing a straightforward and accessible borrowing method, even for those with less than perfect credit histories. The application process is completely digital and can be completed within minutes. You begin by filling out a secure online form with your personal and financial information. GetCash uses this data to connect you with suitable lenders within their extensive network, maximizing your opportunities to find a loan offer that aligns with your specific requirements. A significant benefit of using GetCash is its inclusive approach to lending. Many lenders in their network consider factors beyond your credit score, opening up borrowing possibilities for a wider range of individuals. Upon being matched with a lender, you will receive loan offers outlining the loan amount, associated interest rates, and repayment terms. Thoroughly review these details before accepting any offer. Once you accept an offer, the funds can be deposited directly into your bank account as quickly as the next business day. This rapid funding makes GetCash a viable option for time-sensitive financial needs. However, it's crucial to remember that express loans typically carry higher interest rates than traditional loan options. Carefully consider the terms and conditions and confirm that the repayment schedule is manageable within your budget to prevent further financial strain. In summary, GetCash serves as a dependable platform for obtaining quick, short-term loans during financial emergencies. Its user-friendly interface, broad network of lenders, and accessibility for individuals with varying credit profiles make it a worthwhile consideration. If you're interested in learning more about this service, please explore the links provided in the description below. I hope this review addressed your questions. Thank you for watching.